Wind and Water Becoming Current by Catherine Hutchings. In our video, the straw represents the wind pushing the currents. The red dots represent the currents in the water and how the wind and water affect each other. It was turning in a clockwise direction, which means it was going west to east in the northern parts and east to west near the equator, causing a circular motion in the currents. And yes, there are different temperatures in the water that are in play because there's hot in the equatorial regions and colder waters closer to the poles. First of all, a gyre is a circular pattern of currents in or around the center of large parts of an ocean. A gyre is formed by the wind and how the far northern and far southern parts on Earth go from west to east, and the equatorial region winds go east to west, which causes the currents to go in a circular motion. Also, other things that form it is the Earth's rotation and Earth's land masses. There are 5 gyres in the world. These gyres do many things, but the main thing is they circulate the water on Earth all over the world. The North Atlantic gyre is in between the United States and Africa and Europe and Greenland. A gyre would affect me because we eat things like fish, and the fish in the ocean eat the trash that we use to pollute the earth, that we throw away wherever we can. But all of that trash goes to the oceans. When it gets into the oceans, the fish eat it and we eat the fish, meaning that we eat trash. We are the ones that throw things away everywhere that the fish end up eating. This all means we are causing each other to eat trash. The relationship of the patterns of global winds and the ocean currents are the fact that when wind goes from west to east, the water near it goes from west to east. And when the wind goes east to west, the water current goes east to west. For instance, in the mid-latitudes of the northern part of the Atlantic, the currents and wind both go from west to east. But in the equatorial regions on the northern part, both the wind and the ocean currents go together from east to west. Only one ocean current isn't blocked by a landmass, and that is one that goes along with the east and west wind drifts. It goes east all the way around the world in the southern hemisphere under all the continents besides Antarctica. This is the only spot where a current and wind drift isn't blocked by a landmass. And it is where the water would move way more faster because it doesn't have anything to slow it down like the land masses. The end.